Hey guys, I'm Abir Abedin. Welcome to my another video. Today we are going to learning about converting an website to an Android or iOS app, especially Android, because they provide the iOS app just source code. For that you need an Xcoder. I will tell it later. So let's start the video. So today we are going to convert uh, this website to an app. Copying this URL and going to GoNative.io, link in description below. Without any programming, just copy paste your website. You also can make your app just name up just your YouTube channel. Also just copy your YouTube channel link and paste it here, and now click on, then fill up this your app name and your mail. You also can contact me with this mail. After clicking on general styling, click on browse and give your stop. Give your icon. After giving icon, scroll down and here upload a new logo and click on browse and click on it again and click on generate. It's what it's gonna do when your app will open. Then the pop-up logo, Unsplash logo will show here. After doing this thing, you also can check it out these things, the navigation slide. Click on, you will understand that that's easy. Also you can Facebook app event, build settings, deep linking, whatever you can do, everything. Then click on build my app. After click on build my app, I will get an email in 2 or 3 minutes. You can see that after 2 and 3 minutes I have an mail. There you go. There you can customize your app privately, and there your public link, you can share it with your friends and family. In public you can change your logo and everything. You will also get an iOS source code. For that, for converting your app to IPA file, you need to download and edit with Xcoder. And Android, it will provide an download APK link and download the source code. In share, you can see an iPhone. There will be a demo. You can check it out. Click on Android and download that APK. Now I'm going to show you this thing work or not in another Android device. So let's get in. So guys, we are in our mobile device. After installing, after giving the file on my mobile, click on your file manager or downloads, wherever you download, and click on the APK what you downloaded and click on it. I'm clicking on. In every devices there will be show this thing. Click on the settings and click on the unknown sources and turn it on and click on OK. In some device there will be show always download. Click on that. Or in install, you can see that it's installing new device. After coming this interface, click on install. After you can see installing, click on open. there you go, your flash window. My image was a little bit unrealized, so click on this. After you can see installing, the app is working properly. I will give the link in description below. This app, also the website link, match it, that it's match or not. So that's for today. Bye, and subscribe my channel. If you like this video, then give a big fat thumbs up. Watching in next video. Peace.